Here is the HP Notebook 90-watt Smart AC adapter, part number KG298AA. The adapter comes in the box. Upon arrival, you'll receive the adapter brick, the power cord, and the dongle. What the dongle is as shown, about a 3-inch adapter converter, which makes it so that it takes the smart tip adapter and converts it to the old style smaller tip adapter, which is needed on older notebooks such as the DV6000. Currently this adapter, as it is with the power cord, works with a multitude of different HP laptops, many of the new ones including the DV5, DV6, DV7, and basically this dongle tip attaches to the end as shown here and converts it so that you can use the adapter with a bunch of older notebooks as well. Thanks for viewing In and Out Computers video of the KG298AA.